Lourdes Chica, Donnie Pangilinan, nakita mo na ba yung babae na beautiful and genuinely loyal na ayaw mo nang pakawalan pa? At siya ang gusto mong pakasalan. Saad niya, oh yes, nakita ko na siya. Si Belle. I don't lose her. She's rare. A loyal heart one is one of the rarest things you can ever receive.